Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise and honesty. Let me set the scene for you. Imagine you're rushing out the door, coffee in one hand, trying to finish your brows with the other. You need something reliable, quick, and fuss-free. That's exactly where the Clinique Quickliner for brows comes in. It's an eyebrow pencil designed for natural definition, and the shade I tested is AD Soft Brown. It's meant to be long-wearing, smudge-resistant, and above all, easy to use. This pencil has a twist-up design, so no sharpening required, and the texture leans more waxy than powdery, which helps with staying power. The shade range is fairly streamlined, but the one I tried worked beautifully for medium to light brunettes. The finish is soft and natural, which aligns with Clinique's clean, understated aesthetic. In real-world testing, I used this pencil on both no-makeup days and full glam evenings. What stood out to me was how effortless it was to apply. The tip isn't ultra-fine, so you won't get microblade-like strokes, but it does let you fill and shape brows quickly without harsh lines. On days when I wore it for 8 to 10 hours, the pigment stayed intact. No fading or smearing, even in warmer conditions. However, if your skin is very oily, you may notice a bit of breakdown by the end of the day. What I loved most is that the formula gives control. It's not overly creamy, so you don't risk overdrawing, but it's also not stiff. The downside? There's no spoolie on the other end, which is a pretty big miss for an eyebrow product. I had to use a separate brush to blend, which interrupted that quick experience it promises. Let's pause for a moment. If you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss another honest review here on Beautyistic. Your support really makes all the difference. Now back to the product. The pros: easy to use, smudge resistant, and gives a natural finish that's ideal for everyday wear. It's also travel friendly thanks to the twist-up design. The cons: limited shade range, no spoolie, and it may not hold up perfectly on very oily skin. In terms of value for money, Clinique sits in the prestige beauty category, so this pencil is priced higher than many drugstore options. However, considering its longevity and the fact that it doesn't require sharpening, it holds its own. Still, if you're on a tighter budget, brands like NYX or Maybelline offer solid brow pencils with built-in spoolies at a fraction of the cost. When it comes to build quality, the packaging feels sturdy. No flimsy cap issues here. And because it's retractable, you won't waste product with constant sharpening. Longevity-wise, the pencil itself isn't large, so depending on daily use, it may run out faster than a traditional wooden brow pencil. As for the final verdict, Clinique Quickliner for brows is best for those who love a natural, polished look without spending a lot of time on their brows. It's not for someone who wants ultra-precise, Instagram-perfect arches, but for day-to-day definition, it does the job beautifully. I'd recommend it most for normal to dry skin types who want convenience and subtle enhancement. Thank you so much for spending time with me here on Beautyistic. You'll find the link to this product in the description box or comments if you want to check it out for yourself. And if you've tried this brow pencil already, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Does it live up to your expectations? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.